I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Hello there, welcome back again to another episode of Kip Does Stuff. On this episode, I had a trip to the video game store the other day, and I saw something in a bin that was highly overpriced and was poor quality. So I decided to make one of my own, and it answers the age-old quality, how do ninjas stay dry? Simple. They have the katana umbrella. Let's see what it took for me to make this awesome bit of engineering. Okay, I'll start by finding a piece for the handle. I think we can make something out of this. Okay, the katanas I made before had about 9-inch handles, so I'll just cut this in half and then glue it together. Okay, we'll just put some glue on here. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is just an umbrella, after all. Okay, I've got several strips of this cheap pallet wood I had left over from a job I did for my daughter. So I'm going to rip these to 3/4 inches wide. Okay, so I've got 4 pieces laid out, or 5 actually, for the end. It's about 1.25 inches wide. It's going to be about 1 inch thick. Use my Tite Bond 2 premium wood glue here. I really need to put this gluing station in a soundproof room. I always end up swearing a lot before I get this all clamped together. Okay, while everything's drying, we do have to deal with the umbrella. Got this really crappy handle on it that lets it connect to a table or something, and I don't like that. It's stupid. All I want is this nice, solid round piece here. So let's see if we can get this apart. Give it a little love tap. I think we're going to have to try to cut this off with a hacksaw or something. I don't know if there's any other way to get that apart. Okay, this little shaft on the end of the umbrella is about 5/8 inch diameter, but I don't have a bit that big, so I'm just going to drill it out with drills up to my 1/2 inch, which is my limit, and then I'll do some filing to make it fit over this. changing gears a little bit and decided to go back to the handle and the scabbard and start trimming them down to size. So I'll square up this end. And next we can cut the scabbard to length. Okay, there's the scabbard, and the idea is for it just to pressure fit inside here. Gotta undo all this. Looks like it's not going to fit. Maybe we won't get a scabbard with this. Okay, next we'll just trim up the sides, make it nice and square. Okay, next we'll try to find the center of these two pieces, of this piece. An 1.1/8, so we'll go right about here. Okay, now we'll try to drill down into this the same length as our umbrella handle. See how we do? Try to keep it square. Okay, before we attach this hilt and blade guard to the edge here, we're going to knock off the corner for adding our dressing. Okay, for this handle I'm going to do something a little different. I've got all this green paracord that my future son-in-law gave me, so I'm going to try to glue it on the handle and then wrap it around. So let's get started with a little bit of hot glue. Okay, I guess that's about the best I can do. So let's get the hilt on. Okay, we got a couple coats of paint on here. Good enough for now. Now we'll just mix up a little bit 2-part epoxy. Okay, that should do it. Now we'll just apply it to the front part of our handle. Try not to get it in the hole. Okay, that's that. So let's center this on here. Make sure we get it nice and square on the handle. Looks pretty decent. Okay, and now we'll just leave it overnight to harden. Okay, I've scraped off all the paint that was on here. I didn't like how it turned out, so I bought myself a little bit of black gloss, and I'll just shake it on. Okay, so while the paint is drying on the handle, or the hilt, I'll work on the sheath, or scabbard. I was hoping for a nice tight fit, but it's way too tight and not nice and not a fit. So I'm going to just cut off one side, try to make these a little higher. Hopefully the width is good. If not, I'll just make this a big 1¼ by 1¼ square. So let's see what we can do. Okay, we've got it all glued together. It looks like crap, but that's not really a big problem. All I need to do is trim off the end where I didn't even try to make it nice and straight. Okay, I did some light sanding on this, and it still looks like crap, but I'm going to see how the fit is. I'll just drop the... That seems like it works pretty good. I like that. Nice and tight, not going to fall out of there. Now all we need to do is paint this and add our handle. Okay, here we go. We'll just start with a simple 2-part epoxy again and mix it all up. Okay, and now we'll just shove this umbrella down inside. Okay, I think we got it bottomed out, so we'll just set it aside to dry. Okay, I painted the sheath with some gloss black spray paint I got the other day. Doesn't look too bad. And let the handle dry on the umbrella. Seemed to work okay. It goes up, it comes down. That's all I need. And let's see, try to stuff this into here. Goes pretty good. Nice and tight. And good. Not too embarrassing to carry around. So that's it. That's how ninjas stay dry when they're out assassinating people in the rain. Thanks for watching.